Hey ladies, how you doing? So yes, I have a drugstore makeup haul. I haven't done one of these in a long time. You know, I go to the drugstore, I may pick up a lip gloss here, a lipstick here, but actually just to pick up a few things at the same time, I haven't done it in a while. So I was kind of excited, got a little extra. I didn't get a lot of things that I really wanted to get, like a bronzer, an actual face powder. There's a couple of little knickknacks, but maybe you can help me out with that along the way. And a highlighter. I didn't get a highlighter. But what I did get, I'm not doing no specific order. These things are new to me and some of them are new in the drugstore. So let's start. I picked up this foundation and this concealer. And this is the Revlon. It's called the Photo Ready Candid. So I picked these two up, and in my foundation I have in Mocha and I have Deep. And I have it on now. So it's really nice. I like it. I don't have any complaints about it. I think it looks really good. It feels good. I had it on maybe about 2 hours now. And I took a couple of pictures. It looks good. Yeah, so we'll see. We gotta see how it goes on to the end of the day. I'm gonna hang out a little bit in my house, not doing too much fancy, but we're gonna see how it holds up. Next, I wanted to get a new eyeliner. So you guys know I love the e.l.f. and I didn't really deviate too far, so I got Wet n Wild. And this is their Mega Liner. I got this one and it comes in this box like this. So you may see it on the shelf, but I got this one. It's a felt tip. It's not a brush like the, looks like this. Really little. It's a felt tip and I have it on now as well. I had to play in it, y'all. I had to play in it. But it took me a little while to use. I'm used to the brush, and the brush is a little bit more, I guess, flimsy, you would say. So I'm able to kind of lean on my eyelid versus this one. It was a little loose, but it still had a little stiffness to me that I had to put a little work in. I kept kind of messing up a little bit, so my wing is a little bit thicker than normal. But nevertheless, it's still good. I did pick up this is the package it come in, a mascara. I picked this one up. This is called the CoverGirl Total Tease mascara, and I got it in waterproof. This mascara is cool. You know, I'm not used to a mascara like this where it's just the brush pretty much on one side of the wand, I would say. And it has a little spiky thing, I guess, for the bottom lashes. I don't do that, so, but nevertheless, it was still nice. I am gonna keep it, so we'll keep rolling with it. This I have on now. This is the CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte, I guess, liquid lipstick. It's called Current Nude. Okay, and it's kind of a mauvey nude. There it goes right there. So that's it. I like it. It's matte. It's not that drying matte. You know, that drying matte where you see all the cracks and creases in your lips. That's not this. You have to put a couple layers on, but it's good. What else I have? I will be doing a video on these. So I did pick up the Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid Concealer. It's the hydrating foundation. I say concealer. Hydrating foundation. I picked this one up in the shade Mocha 128. And I picked up the Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Protective Makeup with Sunscreen of 50. Pick this one up too. Pick that one up. And I picked this one up. I don't think they're the same. I don't know. I hope not. Well, if not, one going back, but I got these two. I will be doing a foundation review on both, so I'm not gonna go ahead and swatch anything. I'm just gonna ew, y'all. Somebody opened this, and I didn't catch that. This is going back before I try it, so you may be late with this one. Okay. I did pick up some makeup sponges. I got some Real Technique. I did use one to do my makeup today. So only one's missing, but got some of those. I picked up a eyeliner. I picked up a brow pencil. Not that I needed another one, but I did enjoy this one. This is the Brow Stylist Definer, the Brow Definer by L'Oreal. And I have brunette. I remember getting this one, didn't like it and enjoyed it. So I picked up another one. I did pick up some lipstick products. You guys know I love these right here. And I didn't have this one. This one is called Poet. So I picked this one up, made sure it was not open, because you got to be careful in the drugstore. I will definitely open it for you guys. Yeah, I just cracked it open. That's a good feeling. Ooh, this is like a pinky nude. Okay, that's gonna be different for me. I'm probably gonna take that back. This one is from L'Oreal. This one is called Lord Have Mercy on Me. Y'all, I can't. I ain't gonna do it. Y'all ain't gonna know the name of this one. Maybe later on y'all know it. I'll tell y'all later. Because I can't tell y'all today. It's something starting with rouge, okay? We gonna open it. Oh. Oh. This is a pretty one. That's it right there. This one on the end. Really pretty. I like that one. I can't tell you the name. I'll tell you later in the description. So just look down there. And this one I saw when I was in, this is a matte lip crayon, when I was in Walgreens. And this one is by, what's this by? L'Oreal Paris. And I said, you know what? This one is called Tress Sweet. It's a lip crayon. Look at that. Ooh. It's right here. It really matches. It's right there. So that looks interesting. So I'll be using this stuff in upcoming makeup tutorials. And I bought another liquid liner. This one's by CoverGirl. I don't know if this one's a felt tip or not, but I'll open this one later. If you guys have it, let me know. I got a few more things. Now I purchased this because I knew they had a new concealer, and I'm that female that if I see a concealer and have a matching foundation, I'll get the matching set. I'm like that matchy person. So I knew e.l.f. had a concealer. Never picked up their foundation. So I picked up the foundation, and it's an all-free satin finish. And the shade that I have in is, what did I get? Girl, what did I get? Oh, it's called Cocoa. Deep. It's deep with neutral undertone. So I picked this one up. We'll see how that one looks on my skin. And then this one is called Tan Neutral. We're going to open this one up. We're going to see how this looks. This is the concealer. It's mighty light. Mighty light. Oh, not too bad. That's a good shade. That's a good shade. Okay. I like the doe foot. The doe foot is huge. Look at there. So, pretty good, pretty good. And then I got me a setting powder because I heard really good things about this one. This is the Maybelline Fit Me. This one is in Deep, number 35. I heard some really good things about this for setting under the eye. And you guys know I was looking for a new under eye setting situation. So, I heard this was really good. I'm going to try this one out. I'll let you guys know. In addition to that, what else did I get? Oh, last but not least, I got some makeup wipes. And this is the Target brand. This is the knockoff of the Neutrogena. I just got these because I was in Target, so I got them. So yeah, guys, I wanted to do a quick little drugstore makeup haul. Nothing too fancy. I just wanted to get a few things to kind of add to what I have already, and pretty much just try something new. I am going to be doing another drugstore makeup haul because I hear there's some spring things coming out. So now you got to get the spring stuff. But I'm going to get some color, just a little bit. I'm not going to get too crazy. But if you have anything that I may not have shown, which I know there is a whole bunch more, let me know what you're liking in the drugstore, and I can go pick it up and try it. You know, nothing wrong with that. So I want to say hey to all my new subscribers. Hey to all my loyals. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.